So here I have the Jordan 1 Royal Blues.
Ayan, yung box niya. So if you want to keep your box, ayan, kailangan nandun pa rin yung, ano bang tawag dito? Oh, yung papel niya, diba?
Para hindi siya ma-scratch.
Tapos, so we got it at the House of Hoops. Ayan. Foot Locker. Ayan. Okay.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. So you got it a gift, right?
Yes, for my birthday.
From your birthday, okay. What do you recommend for shoe care?
For shoe care,
Yeah,
crap wipes.
crap wipes. What else?
Yun lang. That's it.
I think there's like a shoe shampoo
Yeah, shoe shampoo. You
and
know,
then my
shoe-
brush. Yeah,
And then like the crap wipes, you wipe it. So
yeah.
when I get when you spill something, it's like waterproof. I think. You wipe.
Yeah. So what size are you now?
Size 9.
Wow, big feet. Okay, so try it.
Yes.
So before you try it on, make sure that it is loosened, the shoelace.
Because if you
Why?
because if you put it on and
Yeah,
just ding in the back,
yeah, and it will crease
Crease.
your shoes.
and make sure if you're sitting down, do not
Bend it.
don't
Okay.
bend it.
Yeah, loose it. Like, don't rush, right? Take your
Yes.
time, and then keep that. What do you call that?
Like if you the crease,
No, there's
I don't know.
ano yan, palaman.
Palaman.
Okay, we're gonna research for that one. Kung anong tawag dito. Ayan, so it's I don't know.
A shoe.
Ayun. It's a die-cut sock liner. Alright. Yan, it's a sock liner. Or a shoe liner. Ayan. Para i-prevent niya yung pag-crease at yung shoes mo stays in shape. Ayan, walang ano bang tawag doon sa Tagalog yung crease? Yung linya-linya doon sa may shoes. Ayan. So kung you're a sneakerhead, right, Brady? You don't want your shoe to become very creasy. Ayan. Yung may line dito sa part na to. Ayan, papakita natin din yun sa ano. Ayan. So the shoe got a good grip. Does it have a good grip?
The foam inside is very soft.
Yeah, I know. But how about the grip? Yung sole?
this one?
No, this one is the sole.
Oh,
Yeah, so gotta go grip. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you use that for basketball or
No.
why?
No.
Because you don't like it, or
No,
it's not meant for
it's not
basketball.
meant for basketball.
Oh, okay. So it's just a fashion.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Designer shoes.
Oh, yeah. So I told you to so kailangan mo talaga nung ano yung alam mo yung slide
Mm-hmm.
para hindi mag ano yan.
No crease.
No crease. Oh, wow. Make sure it's loosened. Ayan, tignan mo at huwag masyadong itight para hindi mahigpit sa paa. You got white feet too. My goodness. So,
Ta-da.
yeah. Okay, put the other one too.
That one too. Ano nang tawag dito?
Shoe liner or sock liner.
Tinapay.
Palaman. So if you're a sneakerhead, guys, you know that if you have Jordan 1, that makes you what do you call that, Brady? Like yung nagko-collect, ano man tawag doon? Collector. Ano ba yan? I'm so dumb. Okay. More! Start mo kasi dito na, nahugutin. Ayan. So, ingat na ingat siya. Dahil ayaw nga niyang matupi. Kasi nagtatight pag hihilain mo siya. Loosen it up. Loosen it. Ayan, diba? Cute. Dito sabi ko sa'yo, dito, wait. And make sure meron kang nice socks. Yan, yusin mo. Parang mukhang tight. Okay, so yun. So, is it worth it? Why did you buy it? Tsaka, so if you're a collector, what are the benefits of collecting shoes?
It's worth it because in the future, like if you still have that shoes,
of course, if you're gonna care for it,
it's gonna be rare.
Yeah, just like Jordan 11. Ay, meron pa rin yung mga Jordan 11. Mga retro,
Jordan
right?
1 Brads. Those are the rare ones. The first ones that came out.
Which one?
The Jordan 1 Brads.
Breads.
Yes.
Okay, what else? As a collector of shoes, what shoes do you have right now?
I have LeBron James Christmas edition. Adidas NMDs.
Jordan 11 Retro.
Yes.
The green, emerald green.
Mm-hmm.
The Kyrie's 5
Kyrie
and
5s and
3.
Jordan 1 camos.
Camos. And it's all size down, right?
Yes.
Because you've grown.
But I'm not gonna sell it because
You might.
I
Because
might.
you're gonna make money, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. If you outgrown your shoes and it's still good and it's rare,
Yes.
just like this one, the
Royal Blue.
Jordan 1.
Royal Blue.
That's mids, right?
Yeah.
So they got
high Jordan.
highs, Jordan high, mids, and lows. Ayun. Yung lows ang very rare, right?
Yes.
Halos wala tayong makita. So they got University Blue lows in 10.5. Eh, sobrang laki naman na sa iyo yon. Then, but they got this one, the Royal Blue in 9. Which is a little big sa'yo, pero yung feet mo kasi it's wide.
Ta-da.
Right? So, what else? Kasi malalakihan mo yan, sooner or later it's gonna be mine. Or we're gonna sell it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so what else?
If you guys know the Travis Scott 1 lows,
those are very rare. And
it's $1,000.
$1,000. There's like 400 and 500 sa StockX.
Jordan 1 Travis Scott mids are 5,000.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. And then yung mga off-white na Nikes, no?
No, what was that called? I forgot the name. Yung the very big Nike one.
I don't know. Yung Back to the Future?
Yeah. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching Bajai Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be updated to our next video. Peace.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let you